Hello and welcome back to Chapter 8 of the Boeing 747-8 tutorial, and we are going to be making the wing control surfaces, so enjoy. I definitely haven't made one that looks this good yet, but yeah, we are looking just great. However, we do not have any windows in front or control surfaces on the wings or these little pods that house the gears, the mechanisms to lower the flaps. So we're gonna have to make all that. First of all, I want to make the control surfaces on the main wings. The first ones that I'm gonna model are going to be the ailerons right here. So I'm going to put in these loop cuts, and I'm going to do what I've been doing for a long time. I'm going to select these, all of these, and I'm going to, I'm just gonna delete this side of the wing later and remake it because this isn't gonna work. So we're gonna hit P and then selection. That looks good. That is super smooth aileron, but we'll fix that later. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on the flaps. So we're going to add a loop cut right... Oh, what'd I do? What did I do? I think I... Oh, great. What'd I do? Hold on. Okay. Control R. And I'm going to move this right here. And then Control R, and I'm going to move this right here. And now Control R, and I'm going to move this right here. And then I'm going to select these two vertices right here. And I'm just going to move them back. And now we have a good shape, so, no, don't do that to me. I'm going to select, okay, I know what I'm selecting now. I'm going to select all these, and I'm going to P and selection them, because now we have what looks good. Then, by the way, these things right here, these are my faithful little speed brakes and ground spoilers. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have to make these now. So let's do that because we have no other choice. Let's build. Oh, I have this little control surface right here that I have to make. I'll do that with a knife tool. I'm gonna put this right here. I'm gonna put this right here. Escape. Hang on. I'm gonna put these all right here. Okay, and then I'm going to do a very similar thing. I'm gonna put this right here. Put this right here. How's that look? Close enough. Okay. So now I'm going to select all these. Oh. Forgot this knife tool needs to do me another job. Okay, and then we're going to deselect this face. Then we're gonna hit P in selection. Now we have another control surface. And what we're gonna do is we are going to hit Control R, and we're going to put this right here. And I'm not gonna bother to do like super detailed stuff, but I do want to get a relatively detailed thing. So I'm gonna do some knife tooling right here. Just connect these. And okay. Okay, that looks good. So now I'm gonna separate these. Ooh. Okay, we'll fix that later. Yeah, so let's do this right here. I'm just gonna select all of these, and I'm going to hide them for right now. So this is what the wing currently looks like. We want it to look better. So right here, I'm just gonna zero in on right here. I'm gonna start to do the tedious work of putting in all these faces. Because it needs to be done. So now we have that. And we're going to need to put this right here. I'm going to need to put this right here. And I'm also going to need to put this right here. So now that looks like a good slot to put my thing right there. And now we'll do this part. So we'll start right here. F for face. Face, that's right. Very creative name. F. So what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to get everything solid and not looking like it's paper thin. Because right now they have no thickness, so we don't want that to be visible. And now for the last part, we're going to select this, this, and this. And great, my timeline's going yet again. And we're going to F it. Okay. And now what we want to do is we're going to put in a loop cut. We're going to put it right here, put in a loop cut, put it right here. And make this look nice and sharp. Because sharp is the best. Oh, I don't like that at all. Alright, I'm gonna use the knife tool for this. Just a little malfunction with this thing I have right here. So now I'll select all this and I will slide it with the edge slide tool. Put it right there. Oh, I see what's going on. Yeah, that makes sense. I get it. I get it. Alright. I'm gonna put that right there. Once we apply this subdivision surface modifier, it will be good to get rid of all the merged, it'll be good to merge all these vertices because a lot of them are overlapping. However, overlapping vertices are not a big deal at the moment of time we are currently in. So we're just gonna make these all nice and sharp looking because we want all of this to come together nicely. Alright, I think we're ready for the control surfaces now. Oh yeah, we have a lot of work to do. We'll start on the aileron. We'll sharpen that up. Sharpen this up. That's fine already. We'll sharpen this up. I'm actually not going to fill in any of the faces on these control surfaces because I think it'll just be easier not to than to. So, yeah. This one doesn't need that much work. How do I do that? Oh, I am gonna have to fill this face. I think that's the only one though. I think as well as this one too. Okay. And then we're looking good on that surface, so now we're gonna have a little bit of work to do because we have to get this to match right here. Because in here we have a few little gadgets and gizmos of plenty that we need to get working. So that looks right. We do, however, need to do that for the other side, so I'm gonna do that. We'll put that right here. Little whoozy what's it? Oh. Close enough. And then I'm gonna just connect these. Because then I'm going to again separate this into its own object. So now I can, okay, I am gonna have to add a face in right here because otherwise that's gonna look, oopsie daisy. All right. It's gonna look weird if I don't add a face in. Yeah. All right. I'll add that right there. I am gonna add faces right here because if I choose to make an animation that includes the flaps, I could run into some problems. Why is it not selecting? There we go. Oh, why is it not doing that to me? Okay, hang on. That's a little weird. It's a little weird, I'm not going to lie. Okay then. That is weird. Why is it doing that to me? Why are you doing that to me, little thing? I know, I'll just use the knife tool. Knife tool, you have never failed me. Oh, darn it. You have failed me. Curse you, knife tool. Alright, then I'll add this right here and make some horrible sloppy work. Because I just want to get this creased. That's the problem. If I don't crease it, it's not going to look right. There we go, I guess. Is that right? Oh, I'm gonna have to use the knife tool again. Yay. Alright. I'm gonna put that. Oh, great. No, that's getting confused. Ugh. Alright. Oh, there. No! Stop doing that to me. Bad little boy. Alright. I'm just gonna put it right there. Why is it doing that? Stop. Join already. Join vertex. Join vertex. Okay. That's not gonna work. I'm gonna scale this down. This is not the best tutorial, but it's going to have to work. My channel is like not big at all, and my old 747 video is like crazy popular. Like I've gotten, like I only have 16 subscribers, and that video has gotten like so many views. It's gotten like 413, I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, anyway, that's not right. That's not right. Alright. I'm gonna move that down. I'm gonna select all the ones right here. I'm gonna move it down. Alright, that's not gonna work either. Hang on. Okay. Let's add a face right here. Yo. Okay. That's not gonna work either. Okay. Let's just select this, scale it down again. This is finally starting to look like a 747. I think the control surfaces will do right here. They look decent. Let's see, how many views has that video gotten? I'm actually curious now. Like a month ago I checked it and it was like over 300. I know that sounds pathetic, but it's a lot for my channel. Yeah, it's got 413 views. That's insane. Alright, so this is basically about done. I'd say the only things we have to do is we have to add the cockpit windows, and I'm not gonna bother to add windows. We'll just, on the sides, because we'll just say this is a cargo 747. A lot of the Dash 8s are, in fact, cargo carriers. Thank you so much for watching Chapter 8 of the Boeing 747-8 tutorial series. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button, and I hope to see you in Chapter 9. Bye-bye.